So this is the Euro Yen analysis for Tuesday, 19th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might possibly go. So we've seen this pretty big sell-off in the euro against the yen. We came all the way down. We didn't quite get down to 32.02 level that we were looking at for buy-side momentum to come back into the market. We did see buy-side momentum come into the market. We didn't get all the way up to 32.83. We saw a bit of a pullback and we've seen the continuation upwards now. So we've had our low here, potentially higher low there as well. We've had a move up, higher low. We've gone on to test 32.83. We had a bit of degree of indecisiveness. We've had a strong move up towards the 400 period moving average, but the 400 period moving average coupled with the 133, we did see some sell side momentum come back into the market, but we are immediately seeing some buy side. At present, we are seeing some buy side momentum come back into the market. So we've got our lows here, we've got a higher low. We do appear to putting a higher low here again, which is a bullish sign. So once we trade through 32.83, you're looking to see our price react to the 400, 200 period moving average confluence here in around at 133. A successful break from which we would be targeting in around at 33.45. A break from there, our most recent highs in around the 33.80s. And beyond that, we are looking at prices heading towards the 134. Now, the reason 134 is significant is because over the past couple of weeks, we've been operating within a trading range of 131.70 to the downside and 134 to the upside. So, a successful navigation of 33.45. We'll be looking for prices to head towards that 134. But first, we have to have our third higher low play out successfully breaking 32.83 and the confluence of the 200, 400 and 133 level. We'd have to successfully navigate all three of those levels before we start to look for the upside targets of the in around those 133.45s before looking for that 134. Now, to the downside, if we do break down from where we are at present, it doesn't look likely. But if we do get a breakdown, if we say we retrace all the way to 32.83, we do see some sell side momentum come into the market. We would be targeting 32.02, a break from which we'll be looking to target the lower end of the trading range in around 31.70. Now, if we were to have a break from the 31.70, the very next level that we would be looking at is in around this 31.20. So in around 31.20, again, we'll be looking for buy side momentum to come into the market, similar to 131.70 and 132.02. And with that said, we've mentioned levels to the upside down and the downside coupled with the moving averages. So we'll just head over to the daily chart before wrapping up here on the euro yen. So we head over to the daily chart, and daily chart won't tell us much that we don't already know. So on this daily chart, we've mentioned that we're in a trading range, and as you can see here, upper end of trading range in around at 134, and lower end of trading around in around lower end of the trading range in around at 131.70. And as we can see, prices have just been oscillating between these two points, mainly on the charts. There have been occasions where we've traded slightly above each level, all the way up to 134.50 and all the way down to the low 131s. But overall, most of the price action over the past couple of weeks have been taking place within this trading range. And with that said, that should wrap up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.